Currently we are at the Gigiri Police Station within Nairobi. Today, August 20th, 2024, morning hours, there was an incident of prisoners' escape that happened at Gigiri Police Station where we are as at now. 13 prisoners escaped from the cells, among them 12 Eritrean nationals who were arrested for being illegally in Kenya, and one male murder suspect, namely Collins Jumaisi Escape, who is connected with the Kware murder incident. Our preliminary investigation indicated that the escape was aided by insiders, considering that officers were deployed accordingly to guard the station. I have interdicted 8 officers who were on duty last night, among them the Gigiri Sub-County Police Commander, OCS, Gigiri Police Station, Duty Officer, Duty NCO, Station Guards and Report Office personnel. The matter is currently under investigation by Internal Affairs Unit, and any person found culpable will face full force of law. We have launched manhunt to rearrest the escapees. We further appeal to the members of public with any information that may lead to the rearrest of the suspect, especially Collins Jumaisi Escape, to report to the nearest police station or through the police hotline numbers 999 or 112 or 911 or 0800 722 203 or our X handle Fichua DCI. Thank you. That's all we have. We've said we have investigation that is very active and is being done to unravel what happened, how it happened, and who is culpable to face that rule of law. The officers or the prisoners who escaped from prison today are 13 in number. They are not all serial killers. It so happened that one of them is among the serial killer. And that's why we are appealing to the public and you as our Fourth Estate team to assist us in getting hold or rearresting of this guy who we are really looking for.